They don't need neon bottles or synthetic scents. No foaming sprays. No factory-made wipes. Just a wooden bucket, a rag, and maybe a splash of vinegar. The Amish don't clean to impress. They clean to preserve. Their secrets, hidden in plain sight, passed through whispers, not labels. And somehow, these simple, homemade cleaners work better than anything we've tried from a shelf. So what exactly do they use? And why are we only just paying attention? 1. The Amish way, cleaning without chemicals. It's early morning. Mist clings to the fields. A barefoot child runs across the wooden porch, bucket in hand. Inside, a mother wipes down the wooden kitchen counter with a cloth soaked in vinegar and lemon peel. No store-bought sprays. No artificial scents. Just what she made the night before. That's the Amish way. For them, cleaning isn't just about having a neat space. It's about intention, about living simply, living responsibly, and using what God gave us. They don't clean to impress guests. They clean because they believe purity starts at home. Their tools? Basic. Vinegar, baking soda, bar soap, water, and yes, lots of elbow grease. The Amish avoid chemicals not because it's trendy, but because it's how they've always done it. There's trust in the old ways, trust in nature, and an unspoken belief. If your home is clean, your mind follows. 2. Vinegar, the unlikely hero in every Amish cabinet. It smells sharp, sour, almost too strong, but works like magic. Vinegar is, hands down, the #1 cleaning ingredient in most Amish homes. A gallon jug sits under the sink. It's not just used, it's cherished. For mirrors, floors, laundry, even cutting boards. It cuts grease, it removes smells, and kills some bacteria too. Once, an Amish woman told a story, how her grandmother used vinegar to clean the baby crib after a rough winter. The wood had mold. She scrubbed it, rinsed it, sun-dried it. The crib came back to life. That's the kind of quiet power vinegar holds. They might add some mint leaves or orange peels to tone the scent down. Sometimes not. It's not about smelling nice. It's about getting the job done. Clean is clean. Nothing extra needed. 3. Baking soda. The secret scrub nobody talks about. Picture this. A cast iron pan caked with last night's stew. You could scrub for hours. Or you grab a pinch of baking soda, sprinkle it like salt, and add just enough water to make a paste. Then you wait. Just a little. Now scrub. The Amish swear by this. No chemicals. No fancy degreasers. Just simple science. Baking soda is abrasive, but not too much. Gentle. Tough. It removes stains. Neutralizes smells. And when paired with vinegar, it's like a science fair in your sink. The Amish even use it on carpets. A little dusting, let it sit, then sweep or vacuum. The smell's gone. It's cheap. It's safe. And you won't need to lock it up to protect your kids. That's important to them. Safety. Simplicity. It works, so they stick to it. 4. Lye soap. Harsh-looking, soft on sole. It looks rough. Feels like a brick. But Amish lye soap is gold. Homemade. Honest. And old. Passed down from grandmothers to daughters. Made outside, in kettles, stirring with wooden paddles. Lye, fat, water. That's it. No perfumes. No coloring. Just grit and patience. It's strong. It cleans everything. Hands, clothes, floors, even pets. Some say it smells like tradition. Others say it smells like nothing. And maybe that's better. An Amish man once said, "It don't need to smell pretty. It needs to work." And it does. Generations have scrubbed with it. It's tough on dirt, but soft on skin. Unlike commercial soap, it's pure. If the family's big, they make batches in the spring. One pot can last months, maybe longer. And yes, it takes time, but time is something they don't mind giving. 5. Windows so clean you could pray beside them. Sunlight matters in an Amish home. No electricity, No light bulbs, just glass and sky. So windows, they're a big deal. Some Amish women clean them every few days. Rain spots, gone. Dust, wiped. The secret? Vinegar and water. Sometimes a splash of alcohol. Mix in a jar. Wipe with old cloths or newspapers. No streaks, no glare, just clarity. Once, a young Amish girl told her friend, "If your windows are clean, your thoughts are too." Maybe that's just a saying. Or maybe it's something deeper. They don't use fancy sprayers or microfiber cloths. Just what they have, what they trust. Window cleaning isn't just a chore. It's a ritual, done with care, with hands, with presence. Because in their world, even glass should feel sacred. 6. The Amish laundry ritual. Soap from scratch. Forget colorful pods or foamy blue liquids. In Amish homes, laundry soap is made from scratch. Real ingredients. Measure by hand. Grated bar soap, usually Fell's naphtha or homemade lye, mixed with washing soda, sometimes borax, stirred in big buckets, stored in reused jugs or mason jars. It doesn't bubble much, but it cleans like nothing else. The clothes? They come out smelling like fabric, not perfume, like fresh air, like home. Some Amish women let their soap cure for weeks. It hardens, strengthens, lasts longer. Laundry is usually done outdoors or in barns, on washboards or wringer washers. The whole family joins in. Kids turn the crank. Moms hang clothes in lines so long they touch the horizon. It's not quick, but it's clean, and it feels earned. 7. Wood polish that smells like lemon and love. Wood matters in Amish homes. It's everywhere. Handcrafted tables, cribs, cabinets. They're not just furniture. They're heirlooms, so they get treated with care. Amish wood polish isn't bought. It's blended. Olive oil and lemon juice. That's it. Sometimes a little beeswax if winter's coming. Rubbed on with a soft cloth. Buffed until it shines. It smells light. Natural, not fake citrus. The polish doesn't just clean, it protects. Deepens the grain. Preserves the memory. Once a boy polished the table his grandfather built. Said it made him feel closer to him. Amish don't throw things away. They restore. And this polish, it's part of that. You don't need a lab-made formula. Just respect and the right kind of oil. 8. Disinfecting the Amish way. Not flashy, just effective. No bleach. No neon green liquids. The Amish clean with vinegar. Hydrogen peroxide. Sometimes lemon or tea tree oil. Surfaces are wiped twice. First to clean, then to kill bacteria. And yes, it works. Science backs it. But they don't care about that. They care that it's safe, that it won't harm their kids, or the soil, or the animals. After all, their kitchens aren't just for cooking. They're for canning, preserving, healing. They need to be clean, but not poisoned. That's why they disinfect the way they do. Not out of fear, but out of responsibility. It's a quiet kind of control, a peaceful kind of power. Cleaning without chemicals doesn't mean cleaning less. It means cleaning smarter. 9. Freshening the air naturally. Walk into an Amish home, and it won't hit you with artificial apple cinnamon. It'll smell like wood. Soap, maybe herbs. That's because they freshen the air naturally. No plug-ins, no aerosols, just dried lavender, simmering cloves, bowls of baking soda tucked on shelves. Sometimes a pot on the stove with lemon rinds and cinnamon sticks. The air smells like comfort, not chemicals. Amish women hang herbal sachets in pantries, cedar chips in drawers, fresh-cut mint in windowsills. It's subtle, but it's real. Nothing is masked, just gently improved. The goal isn't to hide smells. It's to let the good ones rise. 10. Cleaning as a legacy. Lessons from the elders. Amish cleaning wisdom isn't written in manuals. It's spoken, lived, passed from grandmother to granddaughter. Chores begin young. A 5-year-old learns to scrub baseboards. A 10-year-old mixes her first batch of vinegar spray. By the time they're grown, it's second nature. It's not just about habits. It's about identity, about carrying on a legacy of care, of respect for the home, for what you have. Cleaning becomes more than maintenance. It becomes memory. When you polish your mother's table, you remember her hands doing the same. It's beautiful, slow, and deeply intentional. The Amish don't just clean, they connect. And that, perhaps, is the greatest secret of all. In a world overloaded with plastic packaging and false promises, the Amish remind us of something timeless. Cleaning doesn't need to be complicated. It needs to be honest, intentional, grounded in nature and guided by care. Whether it's lye soap made over fire or windows washed with vinegar and cloth, these old-world methods carry wisdom far beyond the shine they leave behind. Maybe it's time we slowed down too, trusted less in brands and more in the earth. This is Rustic Pantry, where old ways still whisper truth.